the fourth edition Mining Investment Asia. So can you introduce yourself to our viewers, who you are and which company you represent?
So thank you very much for your time and thank you for inviting me. My name is Erik Sardain. I'm a managing partner of Victorem Capital, which is primarily a consulting company and providing independent research and integrating financial economics with market analysis and focusing primarily on natural resources and metals and mining. My background is banking and finance, with many years on the corporate side, working with BHP Billiton here in Singapore.
All right. So what is the outlook for mining industry for 2018 and beyond?
So just maybe starting on sort of a more top-down approach, I believe that the fundamentals in terms of macroeconomics for 2018 should be reasonably good. And we had a really excellent year, 2017, which was primarily driven by a synchronized economic growth. 2018 maybe should be in a very similar pattern that we have seen in 2017, but I believe that given all what we see in terms of protectionism, threats, and concerns about trade war, and also we have seen some inflation scares earlier this year. So I think we are going to see much more volatility in 2018 than we have seen in 2017. And my personal view is that we could see a slowdown in the economy in the second part of the year. Now, in terms of the mining industry, I believe that the fundamentals of the mining industry are pretty sound. And the reason for this is that because all the excess of outputs that we have seen in the past years have now been absorbed by the market. So this is the first point. The second point is that the capex level of all the major mining companies is really back to a very low level. It's probably back to the level where it was in 2006. And the third point is that the balance sheets of the major mining companies have also been improving quite a lot. So we are in a sort of a very sound environment where the excess have been corrected, capex is quite low, and really strong balance sheet. And it creates conditions for the next capex cycle upswing. Now, the question is that when is going to happen? And I believe that as long as the economic conditions remain favorable, I think that we are going to see that coming in the next 12 months. But as I said, we have a lot of volatility, political issues, geopolitics, trade, protectionism, and that would really create some volatility, which is going to impact the sentiment.
I guess that's one of the key challenges for you.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So what do you think about our event that can benefit your company?
Absolutely. I think that first of all, I think it's always really great to meet with people and to share the views, because we have people coming from different countries, but very importantly, we have people coming from a lot of horizon in terms of where they're from in terms of professions. So we got geologists, we got people on the more economic side, we got people as engineers, we got lawyers, and I think it's a forum of discussion to exchange views and basically to widen your perspective and widen the way of I think how you do things.
Well, I just want to say thank you for coming to our event. So, yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Really
Thank
nice
you for
to meet
inviting me.
you.